Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. So today's recipe is mushroom datshi or cheese mushroom or shamu datshi. Before jumping to the recipe, if you have any suggestions or any recipe you want me to cook, just comment down below. Now let's get started. Cut the onion into slices. Also slice the ginger. We're not going to use garlic and tomato here. We don't want them. All we want is a touch of ginger here for this recipe. Green chilies, cut them in lengthwise into strips. White button mushroom, cut them into thin slices. Now the cutting part is done. Let's proceed to the cooking part. Heat the oil. Add ginger and fry for 30 to 40 seconds. Add onion. Fry up until they are light brown. Goes in green chilies. Little bit of salt. Stir fry until they are partially cooked. Goes in mushrooms. Little bit of salt since mushroom tends to boil down. Mix it together and cook for 2 to 3 minutes on high flame. Finally add cheese. Cover it. Turn down the flame to low and cook until cheeses are well melted. Now turn back the flame to high. Mix it well and it's ready. See how simple it is. So guys, don't forget to like the video, share and subscribe. Thanks for watching.